the little neighborhood I'm staying in. These houses are so cute. I am in London, and I'm trying to find the bus stop so that I can go into London and explore a bit. So, dang, did I grab my sunglasses? Oh yeah, it's mad sunny. All right, y'all, so I just got paid 48 British pounds for the big bus. Hop on, hop off, and I get to go on the bus. I mean, on the boat too. Excuse me. So I'm really excited about that. My Airbnb host is amazing. She told me about it. She was like, "It's such a great deal. Just get this. You get to sit on the top of the bus, hop on, hop off, all throughout London. It's 2.5 hours if I stay on it, but I can also get on a boat." So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I'm in London.
Yeah, station. Cash machine. There should be cash machine.
I have to walk a little bit to get to the bus stop.
That's what I mean, like being half asleep.
And the bus, I think, is leaving in a few minutes, so I need to hurry up. I don't see the bus. I feel like I should be seeing the bus right now, but I don't see the bus. So, I hope I'm not lost. Oh, here.
Both of them, the red and the blue, both go there.
Okay, so the red line is takes longer than the blue
No, the blue line takes longer than the red.
Okay, red is
Red line, no worries.
And then, do you have electric something?
No, I'm afraid not. No.
Your Wi-Fi?
Yeah, free Wi-Fi. As you get on, go through to Wi-Fi. Yeah.
Like, we are definitely trying to get on top.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop right here?
Yes, stop.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, bro, if I'm fucking longer, you're talking here, yeah. We're going to stand here, then we're getting on.
It is, we told them 2 minutes, and that was like 5 minutes ago, so they're not happy about that. But the guy kind of scared me too, because they got a bus over there right by the train, and I'm thinking I'm just going to get out the bus and go right on, get out the train and go right onto the bus, but that's not the case. You actually have to walk around the corner 2 blocks to get there. So. Here goes our bus.
I mean, to be fair, the blue line does the full tour. I suggest you get on this one because I don't know where the next red's going to be, guys, to be quite honest.
Does this go to 18 to the
It
pier?
will do eventually, darling.
Eventually.
Yes, eventually,
Okay.
sweetie. Right, find out where it is.
Ooh, thank you. Okay, making it. Sorry. Excuse me. I am on the bus. I'm about to be freezing. I'm about to get my scarf out. There's headphones, so we can listen to the tour. Oh, some music playing. This is one of the most expensive places in the world. Look at this. Yeah, this place is amazing. I hate I'm only here for a few hours, but I'm hoping I get to see a lot. Let me take one of these out because they're kind of loud. But I hope I get to really take it all in and see London.
You are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so reason that I came to tonight is cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is
So apparently when the world's super rich people come to London, they come and live in Belgravia. So that's why these buildings look so beautiful and rich. Okay, one thing to note, don't get on the big bus, the burgundy kind of one, because they're not frequent. This bus here, get on this one, City Sightseeing London, because there's been like 5 of those that have come through so far, and I'm still waiting on this big bus. So yeah. Okay, my bus is finally coming. The red route on the big bus. It is cold. It is freezing. It's probably like 50 degrees. So I had to come downstairs because it was way too cold up there. It's like, my fingers are wrinkled. Like, it's gotta be like 40 degrees. The sun's going down and it was just freezing. So now I'm downstairs and I'm heading to the boat, which hopefully there's an indoor part of the boat too, because I'm so cold, but it's all right. It's expected. It's London, but I'm just grateful that it's not rainy and the sun is still out. We're just in a shaded area, that's why it's a bit cold, but overall super cute out here. Reminds me of a little New York City. Shops and lots of cars and traffic. So stay tuned. I'm about to hop on this boat. I got some almonds and peanuts. They're so good. I'm at the Tower of London. Super cool. I think this is where, I don't know, I gotta do some more research, but this is cool. About to get on the city cruise bus. Traffic jam to get a seat.
战列舰，那个叫贝尔法斯特号。贝尔法斯特号是曾经一个老的战列舰。交线是来的钱的。
It is so beautiful out here. I'm so excited and ready to go. That was a fun experience. I got to ride down the river in London, and now I'm by the Big Ben. I gotta find some food. They've been telling me I need to try this pie with beef in it. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna try to find it somewhere. And apparently I'm supposed to try jellied eel. A little nervous about that, but my Airbnb host was like, if you can find any. So I don't know how popular it is. It's supposed to be a delicacy here, so We shall see. But yeah, it's busy out here.
Because I just did it.
I just stopped to get a souvenir and I was asked if this was all my hair. All of this, if this was all my hair. I said, absolutely, of course it is. What do you think? Oh, look at the guard. That's pretty cool. So I just find it so interesting that these guards have to stand out here like this all day, every day. I'm not sure where we're going now, but it looks beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my god, I just pictured what it looked like back in the day here. Wow. Look at these buildings. And look at me. That's cool. Excuse me. Oh my god, the line is so crazy long for this spot, but I'm gonna wait. I walked all the way here to try it. Hey, I got a seat outside. Cute out here. Oh, thank you. And I got my menu. Mother Mash. That's my waiter. He's super sweet. He put my phone in the charger because it is almost dead. And I'm not going to be able to get home. So I'm so grateful for him. In exchange, I told him I'd sit outside because I really didn't want to sit outside because it's cold, but I have a nice, warm, cozy seat outside. So it all works out. Thank you. Alright, what am I going to get? Okay, so I think I'm going to get classic mash, steak and black heart stout pie, and traditional gravy. I want to try to say, oh, they have this liquor. I think my Airbnb host told me to try liquor, but I feel like stout is beer, so that might do it. So we shall see. Baked beans, cauliflower, no. Yeah, we're gonna try something new today. See how it comes out. So your boy low-key tried to play me. I told him that in exchange for charging my phone, I would sit outside in the cold. He sits me outside and comes back and is like, unfortunately, I can't plug up your phone. We don't have the block. So he said my American block would work, so I gave that to him. Yeah, he was about to get it. Trying to play me. But it's charging now. Alright, here's my food. I got fried mashed potatoes, 2 types of gravy. Let's see. Alright, let's try. You know what to try first. The mashed potatoes. potatoes are hot, very hot. They have cabbage, onion, and some peas, I think, in it. And then I got the steak pie and the gravy. One of the gravies was, I actually don't know, can't remember what gravy I got. One is mushroom and one is a meat base. So we're gonna try, I'm just gonna put them both on there. Just drizzle it all in there. I like it saucy. This is the mushroom one with the onions, Spanish onions. Oh my god, that looks so good. Cut open this pie. Gotta take a picture of this.
Alright, guys.
Those nothing. It's super hot. Super, super, super hot. Traditional British food. It's actually not bad. It's different, but it's not bad. It's tasty. It's seasoned well. It's got salt on it. But it's hot, so I can't really taste it. Super, super hot. The pie crust is bomb. The pie is mad good. This is actually good. Now that I can taste the flavors, it's cooling down a little bit. It's really good. Okay, y'all, Mother Mash, y'all might have did something here. That's good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll see y'all when I'm done. I wish I had a second stomach because that was so good. And I got so much left, but I'm stuffed. That was so good. London, it's been real. A nice 6-7 hours in London. Bye-bye. Good morning. It is Sunday, September 29th, and I am just waking up in London. I'm waiting for my Uber to get here. It'll be here in 4 minutes. Heading to the airport to head to Croatia. So I'm whispering because I'm in this Airbnb that's a room, but I'm very excited. And I can't wait to get to Croatia and see the mountains and the water and yeah, stay tuned.